Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were solving some question from exercise 4.4. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 1. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. Check your answer using the relation dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So first we have to find out quotient and remainder. After that we have to verify whether our answer is correct or not. Okay. So here we have question number 1, 4. So we have to divide this 7 crore 89 lakh 36,726. This we have to divide by 1238. Okay. So let's divide, then we will verify. Okay. So here you can see this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So in divisor having 4 digits, so first we will take 4 digit. So we have 7,893 which is greater than 1238, so easily we can divide. So first it will go 6 times. Okay. So when we multiply 1238 by 6, we'll get 7,428. Okay. Now we will subtract. So 3 is less than 8. So we cannot subtract, so this will take borrow from this 9. So this will become 13 and this will become 8. Clear? Now 13 minus 8, 5, 8 minus 2, 6, 8 minus 4, 4 and 7 minus 7, 0. Okay? Understood? Now bring down this 6 here. Now it became 4,656. Now it will go, now we have to divide this number by this number. Now it will go how many times? 3 times. Okay. So when we multiply 1238 by 3, we'll get 3,740. Now subtract 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 is less than 7, so this will take borrow from this 3. So this will become 3 and this will become 16. 16 minus 7, 9 and 3 minus 3, 0. Clear? So here we got 942. Okay, 942. Now bring down this 7 here. Now it became 9,427. Okay. Now we have to divide by this number. So now it will go how many times? 7 times. Okay. So when we multiply this number by 7, we'll get 8,666. Okay, 8,666. Now subtract 7 minus 6, 1. 2 is less than 6, so this will take borrow from this 4. So this will become 12 and this will become 3. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 is less than 6, so this will take borrow from this. Now this will become 13 and this will become 8. 13 minus 6, 7 and 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. So here we got 761. Clear? 761. Now bring this 2 here. Now it became 7,612. Okay. Now we have to divide by this number. So now it will go how many times? 6 times. Okay. So when we multiply this number by 6, we'll get here 7,428. Now subtract 12 minus 8. Sorry, 2 is less than 8, so this will take borrow from this one. So this will become 12 and this will become 0. 12 minus 8, 4. 0 is less than 2, so this will take borrow from this 6. So this will become 10 and this will become 5. 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 4, 1 and 7 minus 7, 0. Okay. So here we got 184. Clear? Now bring down this 6 here. Now it became 1,846. Now it will go how many times? 1 time. Okay. So when we multiply by 1, so this we will get 1,238. So now subtract 6 is less than 8, so this will take borrow from this 4. So this will become 16 and this will become 3. Okay, 16 minus 8, 8, 3 minus 3, 0, 8 minus 2, 6 and 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So here we got the remainder 608 and the quotient we got 63,761. Okay. So this is the quotient and remainder. This is how we can find out, and after that we have to verify using this formula. So dividend equal to what we have, divisor. So divisor we have 1238, okay, into quotient. So quotient we have 6 3 7 6 1 plus remainder. So here you give plus sign, then 608. So when you calculate, you will get the dividend. Clear? You will get the dividend. So this is how we can find out quotient, remainder. After that we can verify. Clear? Now question number 2. Complete the table after dividing the following numbers by 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. And here we have question number 2, which we have to divide by 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So here we have 83,74,300. So first we will divide by 100. So it has 3 digits. So first we will take 3 digits from the dividend. So here we have 837, which is greater than 100. So easily we can divide. So first it will go how many times? 8 times. So when we multiply 100 by 8, we will get here 800. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get 37. Now bring down this 4 here. Now it became 374. Now we have to divide by 100. Now it will go 3 times. When we multiply by 3, we will get here 300. When we subtract, we will get here 74. Clear? 74. Now bring down this 3 here. Now it became 743. Now we have to divide by 100. So it will go 7 times. So when we multiply 100 by 7, we will get here 700. Okay. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get here 43. Now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 430. Now we have to divide by 100. So it will go how many times? 4 times. So when we multiply by 4, we will get here 400. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get here 30. Now bring down this 0. Okay, now it became 300. Now we have to divide by 100. So it will go how many times? 3 times. When we multiply by 3, we will get here 300. Okay, now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get 0. Clear to you? So here we got the quotient 83,743 and the remainder 0. Okay, now the same number we will divide by 1000. Here you can see. So it has 4 digit number. So we will take 4 digit from the dividend. Okay, so it is 8,374. So now we will divide. So first it will go how many times? 8 times. Okay, so when we multiply this by 8, we will get here 8,000. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get 374. Now bring down this 3 here. Now it became 3,743. Now we will divide by 1000. So it will go how many times? 3 times. Okay, so when we multiply by 3, we will get here 3000. Now we have to subtract. So when we subtract, we will get here 743. Okay, now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 7,430. Now we will divide by 100. So when we divide, it will go how many times? 7 times. Okay, so when we multiply, we will get here 7,000. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get here 430. Okay, now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 4,300. Now we have to divide by this 1000. So it will go how many times? 4 times. Okay, so when we multiply by 4, we will get here 4,000. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get here 300. Clear? So this is the remainder here. Here you can see. Now we don't have any numbers, so we cannot take here. Okay, so this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Clear? Now we will divide by 10,000, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 digit. Okay, so we will take 5 digit from the dividend. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this number is greater than by 10,000, so easily we can divide. So first it will go 8 times. Okay, so when we multiply by 8, we'll get here 80,000. Okay, now we have to subtract. So when we subtract, we'll get here 3,743. Now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 37,430. Okay, now we have to divide by 10,000. So it will go how many times? 3 times. When we multiply by 3, we'll get here 30,000. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we'll get here 7,430. Now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 74,300. Now it will go how many times? 7 times. Okay, when we multiply by 7, we'll get here 70,000. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we'll get here 4,300, and this is the remainder, and 837 is the quotient. Clear? Now we will divide by 1 lakh. Okay, so it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits, so we will take 6 digits from the dividend, 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we will divide by 1 lakh. So first it will go 8 times. So when we multiply by 8, so it we will get 8 lakh. Now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we will get 37,430. Now bring down this 0 here. Now it became 3,74,300. Clear? Now it will go how many times? Now we have to divide. Now it will go 3 times. So when we multiply this by 3, we'll get here 3 lakh. Okay, now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we'll get here 74,300. so this is the remainder here, and this is the quotient. 83 is the quotient. Clear? So this is how we have to find out quotient and remainder. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.